Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put a reminder on your iPhone. Make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is find the app reminder. So you can pull the screen down and put in reminder, and then on the top you see the app. So open it. Then you get to this screen. So if you want to put a new reminder in, just tap on today and say at the bottom left, new reminder. So put in a new reminder, and now you can give it a name like by iPhone 15. So press done. And you can edit it by pressing on the information icon, and then you have a list of things you can select. So the date is today, but you can always select a new one. You can select time, for example 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, and then it's in your list. And this is how you put a reminder on your iPhone.